How to use klapss. Hold it in the following position. Once the tool is in your hand, do not dip it directly into the paint. Otherwise, the lower part will get submerged. Simply flip the entire tool. It can be lifted up for use, holding it with your thumb. Let me repeat, flip the tool. Do not dip it directly into the paint. It will automatically descend on its own. Load the brush. Pay attention to this specific point. Once it is loaded, we just need to flip it to the side. At that moment, we will move it upwards. Start painting slowly. Load it well. Flip this side upwards. Make sure it sticks well to the ceiling without descending too much on the side. Use your left hand for support and move slowly. It provides a safety measure to prevent overflowing. Don't worry about this side. You can put a finger in the holes for balance. Once positioned, lock it. Press gently and move slowly in the following manner. Flip it to reload it properly. Don't forget to position yourself directly in front of the wall you're working on. Avoid a diagonal position, as the positioning is crucial for the tool's stability. Just make sure it's clean here. Position it on the ceiling. Make the first pass to progress smoothly. This will bring us down to the maximum, and then we can finish with a roller. Flip it. This side protects the ceiling. Between the two coats, once it's dry, touch up any small gaps. It should be clean without any overflow. Ultimately, it provides a solution for professional painters who do this freehand. Similarly, we will simply lean on the side against the ceiling to create our area. Like that, we move forward. Press against the ceiling to avoid overflowing. You can work calmly. It ensures a perfect straight line. For windows, make sure not to overflow onto the glass. Protect the joint. We will protect that joint. Make sure not to touch it with the paint. Position the hook there to protect the joint.